Oh man, it's the 14th of March and we're still getting this. It's a beautiful day. Okay, and it looks smooshy. Oh, that's nice. It's so mushy. There we go. Look at that chunk. Oh, nice. But luckily it's not cold. It's not cold. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to touch it with my hand like this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh, the icebergs. This is actually a really nice job. Yeah. Get that iceberg. It's gonna be nice and clean. Oh, it's a really beautiful day. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, oh, look at that, look at that. We can have snow until April. Nice. There is two things here in Canada to measure the temperature, to know if it is like dangerously cold, is the sound of your steps on the snow. If you step on the snow and it's like creaking, that's bad. That must be like maybe minus 25 Celsius. But it doesn't have that sound now. Yeah, it's like walking on sand. And other thing is you cannot touch anything, any metal with your bare hand. Okay, I think it's nice and clean. That's enough now. I gotta get it going.